Hey guys, welcome back to the ConfermentRM YouTube channel. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day, getting ourselves back into the Bitcoin price chart. And as you can see, it looks like we're hitting near top of our range here. We were talking about some move by the end of next week, Thursday or Friday. But it looks like after the FOMC meeting yesterday, like you can see right here, we opened the day actually hitting a support here on our 4-hour and using it as a kind of like a catapult to push ourselves upwards to the 702 region. But as you can see at the moment, it is hitting resistance here at the 702. And now we need to figure out what's going on for the rest of the week. It looks like if we're able to hold ourselves in this wedge, you can see that, right here from the last high, right there, that we have a potential, in actuality, actually we can do this last one, we have a potential to move ourselves up here to try getting to that 786 by the mid to late day on Saturday. So about a little more than 24 hours. But that would come with us actually breaking through here at the 618 here, $29,173. So it actually might even push up as much as 29,957 and try to get to another top here. It looks like we hit something similar on Sunday, the April 30th, and over here on April 26th. So I'm looking for that, but like I was telling you guys, you're just going to have to watch that region there around that 702, around 29,441. What we can do is grab a Fibonacci right here. And we can see that in order for us to continue and to hold on for a retracement, it's going to have to hold on to 28,887 at least. But obviously that pushes us still to the brink of that break around mid to late day on Saturday. But if it's able to hold that region, I would be expecting around that region. You can see that resistance sitting there around 29,371 and 29,441. Those are two that are kind of almost neck and neck with each other, dependent on how you place your fib. But that's what I'm looking at, guys. Let's see how the RSI looks, because that's going to tell us how oversold or overbought we are. Well, we're hitting a critical region, because you know how I always tell you guys, we're looking at a 70 on the RSI, or sorry, 60 rather, when we get around that region of the 702. So we're getting there. We got a nice bounce off our long-term RSI around 50, and we're hitting up there around 57, 58. So I'm just going to be looking for that over the next day. How we can react and get through to 702 and retest that 786 around that 29,700. But we still have those two little hurdles around the mid 29,000s before we can retest that. But just keep an eye out, and potential downside, we'll just wind up coming back into trend around $28,092. But as you can see, that still pushes us out into the later week of next week of really seeing that move that would either send us all the way down to the path of destruction, I guess you'd say, down to 25,000. But let's see what happens. Hope you guys are having a good morning, afternoon, evening, wherever you are. Remember, it's not financial advice, and I'll see you guys in the next one.